So today I'm here setting up for an open house in Grant Park, and I thought this was the perfect opportunity to discuss part 3 of the home inspection process, which is requesting repairs. So at this point, you've had your home inspection. The home inspector has emailed that inspection report over to you and probably to your agent. What you want to do is look through the whole report and focus mainly on the defective items. The defective items are typically found in a summary and are highlighted in red. Remember, if you're still in due diligence, you have most of the power here. You can still back out of the contract for no reason without forfeiting any of your earnest money. But you still want to try and keep things amicable. A seller could shut down and not accept any of your repairs if they feel like you're trying to take advantage by requesting very minor repairs during this point. Read over the entire report. Focus on safety, structural, electrical, plumbing issues. If you need more clarification on a specific issue, ask your agent or the inspector to elaborate those issues for you. Discuss with your agent those items that just have to be fixed in order for you to be happy purchasing this home. Your agent will then put those items into the amendment to address concerns. Also keep in mind that the amendment to address concerns has to be signed by all parties before the end of due diligence to ensure that those repairs get taken care of. Okay, that's it for part 3 of the home inspection process, requesting repairs. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me anytime. Email, leave a message, text me. If you did find this information helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram, and recommending me to anyone you know who may be thinking of selling or in the market for a new home in the ATL. Have a good day.